Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change account for games in Google Play Games. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Google Play Games account, so to do that what you can do is simply follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is simply open up your Play Games. So this is the Google Play Games application. You can just simply open it, and after opening it up, now what you can do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you just have to wait for a few seconds and you can find the following options. So from here what you can do is just tap on change account from games, and after tapping on that, now what you can do is you can change accounts for every single game by tapping on the screen color option games which is on the top of your screen, or you can change an account for a specific game by tapping on change, which you can find beside that game. So I'll just change it for my Brawl Stars account, so just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply tap on sign out and that will sign out your account. You can use some other account to log in, so I'll just simply select other account to log in and that will be changed. So here you can see guys, my email account has been changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change account for games in Google Play Games. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.